Welcome everybody, my name is Adam, coach of the McChesney Park Slowpokes. Today we are playing week 4 of Thrifty Tussle against Brave, coach of the Migrating Melodics. His team consists of Purloin, Meg Mortar, Doug Trio, Rotom Fan, Seismitoad, Miltank, Mr. Mime, Blossom, Galarian Slowbro, and Mantine. My team consists of Diggersby, Quillfish, Lurantis, Fletchling, Crustle, Raboot, Meowstic Female, Dusknoir, Heliolisk, Exploud, and Zweilous. Alright, so when I first did this, I looked at his team, and this is probably the one matchup that Diggersby and Lurantis can absolutely not come, because I would literally get plastered. I can't touch Mantine. I can't touch Rotom Fan very well. Seismitoad eats a hit, kills me back. I don't take 2 body presses from Miltank, and if it's max HP, max defense, I can't do anything to it. So I went an interesting route with this team build. My first mon is Exploud with Throat Spray, max special attack, 128 defense, 100 speed, just to make it be able to outspeed a Scarfer and if I have Tailwind up. With Boom Burst, Flamethrower, Hydro Pump, and Focus Blast. Originally I considered Assault Vest, but a majority of his team can potentially be physical. So I went with this route. This is also Modest Nature. So you Boom Burst, get +1 special attack. Now I'm tearing through his team in Tailwind. And then we brought back our Quillfish from week 1 with a Life Orb, Swift Swim. This is actually, should be Rash Nature, so plus special attack minus Spit F. Max speed, max special attack, 4 in defense. With Surf, Sludge Wave, Ice Beam, and Self-Destruct. In hindsight, I probably should put Protect on Exploud, just so I can pair these two side by side with each other. Now, we have Fletchling, aka Tiny Bird. Haven't named it yet. But we have Tailwind, Protect, Quick Guard, and Dual Wing Beat. This is Gale Wings to activate the Tailwind as immediate priority if I have full health. Quick Guard also blocks priority moves if I'm faster than my opponent. And I believe that includes Fake Out. I'm not sure what nature that is. Oh, I'm Careful Nature. I have 128 HP, 100 in attack, and then I split the rest between, the rest in speed. I'm 252 speed. And then it just says Dual Wing Beat just so I can hit things. That's about it. Now, we've got Raboot with Protective Pads because there is a Miltank here. A Miltank does in fact get Protect. I am not going to play around and high jump kick myself to death by trying to kill a Miltank. So we're Protective Pads. Max speed, max attack, pretty basic. And with Libero, with Flare Blitz, it's Gunk Shot, High Jump Kick, and Sucker Punch. I wanted to fit Electro Ball on here, but that is only good for the Mantine, and the Mantine might not even come. The only real issue with his team, though, is dual water absorb, so I'm taking a massive risk with the Quillfish. And now we have Heliolus with dry skin. Water moves heal me. I'm max speed, minus defense nature, and max special attack. With Rain Dance, Grass Knot, Weather Ball, and Electro Web. In Rain, Weather Ball becomes water, base 100. And if he's not dual water absorb, it's gonna hurt. Grass Knot, if he's not Rindoberry on Seismitoad, gonna hurt. Electro Web is for basically speed control. It's gonna do a lot, but probably not kill even the mankind, especially if it's Wakanberry. Worst case scenarios, I Electro Web into a weakness policy on Mantine. Then it gets a little tricky. And then this is Hasty Nature. And then now... oh, the nickname's not on here. This was supposed to be Smashing. Like from the Wild Thornberries. He's max attack, 100 in speed, the rest in HP with Hustle. And he's, I believe this one's Eviolite. And we've got Head Smash, Outrage, Crunch, and Facade. I am highly looking forward to being Status this week, because that's a lot of what his team does. And if I land a Facade with Hustle, good night. Like, Body Slam with Hustle breaks probably 33% of a Steel type, and that's a normal move that resists. But anyways, that's the team builder. Alright, we're connected with Brave. He's just selecting the match rules. We're going to be playing under Series 10, even though it's low tier VGC. The irony of this is, he's from the land of Rising Sun. So, right now, the sun's rising for me, but it's nighttime for him, which makes this kind of funny. Then we have a team. So, told him good luck and have fun. His first attempt, it didn't allow him to have a certain move. I'm not sure what happened. But sometimes in this game, even if it's not a transfer move, sometimes the battle ready symbol doesn't come with the Pokemon. And Series 10 requires that. So sometimes even if it's legal, you can't use the Pokemon, which is dumb. So we have Rotom Fan, Mantine. He brought everything I was concerned about, and I brought I brought Manual Rain, and he brought everything that sets rain. And the Purloin's here. Seismitoad's here, and so's the Slowbro. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're gonna this. 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 And this. And see what we can get on info. This basically is about having fun. I really don't want to show them that I have Manual Rain right out the gate, because then that'll just be funny. Ooh, I like your outfit though. So we're going to Tailwind. And we're going to Rain Dance. And I'm going to see if Rotom Fan has Rain Dance, because this is going to be funny. That hurt. That hurt a lot. Do I live this? Please? No! Scarf. Scarf. Rotom. Explode kills Dougie. With the assault vest I changed instead of throat spray, it's paying off right now. Oh, that's why I was outsped. I was paralyzed. So I got hacks. Swift Swim. Let's not choose a target. Okay, I know it's Swiss Swim Toad now, which means the other one's water absorbed. Which means my idea of bringing rain just to be fun is not going to work. Then again, I did make this team in roughly 5 minutes. Let's do this. It seems fun. End of the day, I'm 2-2. But I'd rather lose in style, because I'm bringing stuff I haven't done in a while. So, let's have some fun. He is a bulky seismitoad to take the hustle boosted outrage so well. Same lead. Absolute carnage time. You are no fun. We're just gonna do this. That's fine. I'm just gonna let you beat me. The protective's very obvious. I'm protective pads. What? Hold on. I'm protective pads. Why did high jump damage me? Hold on. Oh, it doesn't work like that. Okay. I thought protective pads protects crash damage, but I guess not. So much for max HP, max def, Eviolite. Well, good game.